Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of February. It is the Saharan by Juvia's. In the description box down below, I will link the video. It talks about how to enter that one. I also have giveaways going on right now for a bunch of other things. Some of you have called me the queen of giveaways. I have a Jeffree Star giveaway. I have an ESW beauty giveaway. I have a lip monthly giveaway. I have all sorts of giveaways going on. Number one rule for every single one of my giveaways is that you must be a subscriber, and I do check. So to make sure to check out the description box, it'll give you links for each of those different giveaways and how you can go and enter them. So today we are talking Boxycharm. This is the base box. It's $25 a month. You do get 5 full-size products in here. I do have a link for Boxycharm if you want to check it out. It'll give you some extra bonus points, and it kind of gives me some extra bonus points as well. Obviously, no obligation to do so. If you do, I appreciate it. So let's find out what's here in the box. So this month they did a little something different. Instead of giving you an actual card, they just sent you an email that lists all the products and kind of a little description about it. So I don't have a card to show you. I do know that the version that I got was 49. No idea how many versions there are, but if you know, let me know that in the comments down below. So the first item, so you get to pick one of your items each month, and the first one is the one I picked. It is the Becca Cosmetics Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. A couple months ago, they kind of set it as out some samples to try and figure out which one hopefully matches the best. This is a full coverage liquid foundation featuring 24-hour water and transfer resistant wear with the breathable natural finish. Retails for $44. I have this shade Cashmere. It's supposed to have cooler undertones, and that's kind of what I have. Here's what this looks like. Just do a little swatch on the back of the hand. It is a pump. So here's what it looks like without being rubbed in. I think I put way too much on my hand. I think it'll work if I have a little bit more of a tan going on. It still has a little bit of a yellow undertone to it. So I definitely have to have more of it. Maybe in the summer, maybe a little bit more. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. The next product that I have in here is by Luxie Beauty. It is their complete sponge set. The set of sponges provides a full array of applications. Each sponge is built with the different densities, water retention rates, and shapes. These sponges are the ideal experiment to your brush set to obtain a perfect complexion and impeccable look. Retails for $40. There's a small brush here and a couple others. One is here. It's a really small one. I love using the inner corners for this. The Precision Blender is, here's this middle one. And then this one right here is gonna be more of your powder blender to blend your powders. I don't really use powders for sponges. I use more like liquid ingredients. I do love Luxie brushes. I mean, I have a ton of them over here. Luxie is cruelty free as well as Becca. So I'm glad they put those in the box. From Ciate, London. I love their mascara. This is the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Lock in your makeup for long-lasting wear with the Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Delicately coconut fragrance to take you back to your beach vacay every day. Wish I was sitting on a beach right now. Yes, please. This finely milled and lightweight loose powder smooths over makeup for a crease-free, soft, focused finish with no flashback. Does retail for $22. I don't really do coconut on the face, and so I'm going to be putting this one in an upcoming giveaway for you guys. From First Aid Beauty is their facial radiance pads. It's a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acids to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. Regular use of these pads will smooth the skin's texture, providing the perfect canvas for a flawless makeup foundation. Retails for $16. I have to read up more on the ingredients to make sure there isn't like denatured alcohol or anything like that that a lot of times people will throw in their pads. So I'll read up on this and then figure out if I'm gonna use it or not. From EVIO, I don't know if they pronounce it EVIO, is a refreshing cleanser hemp wipes. I don't think I've ever used any hemp products before. This biodegradable, multitasking EVIO skincare and Aurora wipes are made from hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep skin hydrated. The antibacterial wipes are infused with cannabis sativa seed oil to reduce inflammation and avoid irritation. Does retail for $10. You guys know I'm not big on wipes. I don't use them on my face. I don't want that tugging. The only time I will use them is if I'm doing swatches and want to remove it off my hands. So I'll probably be throwing this one in an upcoming giveaway as well. So I definitely got products for you. You know, I got some for me. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you got a different version, let me know that too. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean the world to me when you guys like and subscribe. Everything in this box was cruelty free. Let me add up that total really quick for you. So total of everything in here was $132. You only spent $25 on the box. Pretty good deal. I mean, this foundation alone is 44 bucks. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I hope that you guys have a fabulous rest of your day. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple more videos for you to check out if you have the time. I will see you soon, guys. Bye.